5 things that all photographers and creatives should do to make more money.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the vlog. So, welcome to 2018. It's like January 1st or 2nd. I'm not sure when this goes out, but let me start out by saying, excuse my voice. My kids were all sick. Of course, they have to give it to daddy, and now I got the funk. Anyways, let me get right into it. Welcome to 2018. Last night, I was thinking of ways that we can rejuvenate, inspire, just get things moving, make more money for 2018 for creatives and, of course, for photographers like you and I in general. And I put together this list, about 5 or so things that I know that if you guys do, even if you use 1 or 2 of them, it will help you out. It will make you more money. So let's start out with number 1. Number 1, shoot for free. What is that, Joe? That doesn't make any sense, does it? Well, there is a rhyme to the madness here, rhyme to reason. Listen, shoot for free. If you are, for example, a fashion photographer or you want to shoot portraiture and you need to work with models to build up a really good portfolio, do TFP work, time for print, test for print, whatever you want to call it. There's a name for it, like so many different names. Anyways, time for print, test for print, do it. You basically can go get a model that is in the same situation as you, all right? Do work together, collaborate, take pictures, and the only thing that you will have to give back to her is either prints or a CD, maybe a license to use these images in her portfolio. Now, you can build your portfolio also, and there's no actual monetary exchange. It's just time. Her time for your time, and of course, your prints or CD. Next, charity work. Shoot for free. Why, Joe? Why? So, find your local charities, see who they are, and see what events they have and during what period of time, what season. If you could do any of these shoots, any of these events for free, do them. Give back to the charity, give back to your community. Why, Joe? Why? Basically, these charities are normally bringing in affluent people. They're bringing in stars, actors. I can't even tell you how many famous people I shot during this time at the very beginning. And I still do events now, and you guys know about it. If you listened to a couple of vlogs ago, I have an event coming in March that I'm going to be shooting 780 people. Guys, 780 people. Mayor, all kinds of people. Anyways, shoot these charities for free. It is a great in to other charities, people that you probably want as clients and whatnot. So shoot these charities for free. It's good for you, and it's good for them. Number 2, guys, number 2, revisit your website. I need to do this myself. My website looks like crap. Anyways, revisit your website. Does it speak to who you are? That's number 1. Also, does it work? Is it functioning properly? And does it display your work in its best light? Are your images showing up like this big, like little thumbnails, and that's it? You don't want them any bigger because you're afraid someone will steal them? If you are, watermark them, right? Make them big, make them full screen. It is very important. Share your work in its best light. Next, Google, SEO, Google, right? Google has changed its algorithm and is favoring people that have mobile-friendly websites. If your website is not mobile-friendly, as of 2018, it's going to get a red X immediately. And you're going to drop down on that SEO list, right? Where you used to show up in a certain term, let's say, you might not show up anymore. So if your site is not mobile friendly, make it or find someone to do so. Number 3, add another social media site to your repertoire, to your daily. All right. If you're on Facebook, go to Twitter. If you're on Twitter, go to Instagram, Snapchat. If you're selling a product, go to Etsy or something, another social site, because social, if you guys know it or not, is not the way it used to be. All right. It is a means to push information and people just know it and they hear it and it just sounds like noise to them and your message is not getting across. I promise you guys, I've been doing this for a long time. So add another unit of social to your daily repertoire and repeat your message multiple times during the day. Most people are not on the same social site all the time. So maybe if you're sending out a message, send it morning, afternoon, and night so that you hit the people that are currently following you. Very important, guys. Very important. Next, number 4, keep current clients happy. I know you hear this all the time, but it is very, very important. It's easier to keep a client than it is to get a new client. People, it is very, very important you keep them happy. Spend some of that marketing cash, that wad that you have accumulated, hopefully, on telling your clients how wonderful they are, how you appreciate them. Give them thanks and acknowledgement for being your client instead of spending that in a different advertising area. It will help you out a lot. Maybe even send out a piece of snail mail. I know a lot of you don't even know what that is. Get a postcard, throw a stamp on it, and send it to your past clients and let them know you're still around. Top of mind, people, top of mind. So that even if they don't need you at this specific moment, maybe a friend, family, or a colleague does, and they can hand your message to them, your postcard. Right, guys? Very, very easy, and it's a way to get new business by taking care of your old. Next, number 5, don't forget your local market. So many of us sit in our studio or sit in our home and they're pounding away on the keyboard and just talking to people in the ether, all right? Don't forget your local. Hit up some of your trade shows. Maybe look into the Chamber of Commerce next to you, right? See what's going on over there. Also, attend events that are going on that you know that your target market is frequenting. What does that mean? So if you want to be a baby photographer, go to baby events, even though you don't have a baby. You'll meet people that do, and you'll be able to communicate with them and possibly bring them on board for a shoot, right? Very important. Stay local. You have to be out there in social, but don't forget local. It is very, very important. And finally, number 6, I said it was going to be 5, but this is your bonus, all right? We'll call this your bonus. And it kind of goes in there with number 5. Number 6 is people buy people. People do not buy products. What does that mean? That means that when you go to events, when you get out there and get off your butt and get out of the studio and shake a hand, that handshake is worth 100 hours of social. All right? That's how people find you, and that's how people like you. They like your character. They like who you are. They like your persona. They want to hire you. That handshake is worth hundreds of hours of social. So you have to do social. It's very important today. But don't forget to shake those hands. Very important. So anyways, guys, those are my top 5, well, I guess 6 tips, tricks, whatever you want to call them, list of how to make more money, how to change things up a little bit for 2015. Sweep out the old and bring in that new, uplifting, positive vibe, right? Anyways, guys, that is it. I am out of here for yet another vlog. As always, if you enjoy my content, please throw me a big thumbs up. That would be awesome. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button so that you get all my content when it becomes available. And please share with your friends, family, colleagues, anybody that you think might enjoy my content. And finally, don't forget, head over to my website, JCristina.com, where you can find a lot of photography tools I've invented for you and me over the years. And if you like something, please support me and pick something up. Anyways, guys, I'm out of here for yet another vlog. We'll see you in the next one. Take care and enjoy 2018. Many blessings to you and your family. Take care.